We were set up here this morning in one of my little honey holes. We got a pasture field here, it's a horse pasture field. It drops off into a big gorge all the way around it. There's a big woods down in there. It's been clear cut, and these birds come up here all the time to pick up hens right off roost. So we're hoping we get some early action. So hey, we'll see if we can get my tru-Glo red dot with the tru-Glo choke tube and a Mossberg 835. It's a deadly combination. This gun's already killed 3 birds this year. Kyle Oswald killed one with it in West Virginia. I killed one with it in West Virginia. My daughter-in-law, Amber Daddy, killed one with it yesterday. And we've had some good action in Ohio this year so far. That one Amber killed yesterday was 68 yards. I don't expect this shot this morning to be that far. 53 degrees, it's turkey hunting time. So let's see what we can do. Oh yeah. Okay, they're hammering right down over in off this point. We're in good shape, so hey, we'll see how we do today. Boys, that bird is down. It's as easy as that. It is 6:45. I still got a tom right here. Nice tom. I got a nice tom on the ground. Boys, it don't get no better than that. I don't want to spook that tom. Well, this is day 3 of a high season, like I said, and we got a bird on the ground. tru-Glo, red dot, tru-Glo, choke tube. It put him on the ground. He wasn't but 30 yards. He didn't have a chance. So, man, This is awesome. These birds was roosted so far down over in there. I could hear them gobbling pretty good, but they was probably 300 yards off this point. Man, that was awesome. Boys, it's like this. You got a tru-Glo red dot, a tru-Glo choke tube, and a bird inside of 30 yards. That's a done deal. This is a nice bird. He's got about 11-inch beard. He's got 1-inch spurs. This is a pretty bird. Look right there. That's what it's about, guys. Right there.